If you live in a rural community, you might understand how hard it can be to get the right medical care. Clemson University says they're working to solve that issue by opening a rural health care clinic in Walhalla. 7 News' Sophia Radebaugh gives us a look inside.
Thousands of people across the upstate lack access to good doctors' offices because they don't have the ability to get there. But in Oconee County, this doctor's office is meeting those needs. Basic healthcare needs like managing diabetes or a common cold becomes harder to navigate in a rural community because of several obstacles.
Things like transportation, language barriers, patients who maybe couldn't afford to go see some of the other private practices in the area.
Over a quarter of South Carolinians are at risk of dying a preventable death simply because of lack of access. But physicians at Clemson say they're working to meet that need.
Clemson Rural Health was developed primarily to focus on and give back to rural and underserved communities.
For over 30 years, the university has used mobile health clinics to serve rural communities. But recently, they opened a brick-and-mortar clinic in an area of Walhalla that physicians say desperately needed it.
There's no other services really around. You would have to get down into Seneca proper.
Here we will teach classes, diabetes prevention classes.
It'll operate as a central healthcare location for people in Oconee County.
We use lots of different opportunities to bill for services. If a patient has insurance, we accept all of the major payers, but also for those who aren't insured, we have a self-pay discount that's pretty significant for patients.
Closing the gap for rural communities in that area.
This will be what we call a hub clinic. We're setting up hub clinics around the state in strategic areas where we can make a big difference.
Another rural healthcare clinic is set to open in Orangeburg next month. In Oconee County, Sophia Radebaugh, 7 News.
The director says many of the healthcare workers at the new Walhalla building are bilingual because so many people speak Spanish in that area.
All right, well,